Good morning, everyone. It's Miss Wall. I just wanted to talk to you about your task number 2. Here's an article from History.com entitled Social Distancing and Quarantine When Used in Medieval Times to Fight the Black Death. I basically just want you to read over this, click links, and take notes. Pay attention to each of the headings and subheadings. Yes, you are allowed to click on that gallery link as well. That's right here. And then down here it says significance of a 40-day quarantino. Um, your assignment that I want you to do from that will be posted separately on Canvas. And I just want you to make a connection between the significance of a 30 to 40-day quarantine during this time period versus what Charlotte and the state and the world has been asking for people to do. In your paragraph responses, you can literally talk about the differences between Italy's response time, China's response time, as compared to the US. That's your first task. Just make sure that if you have any questions, to contact me. And like I said, you'll go back into Canvas and you will check the assignment listing there. And then I will tell you more information from that. But you're just going to write a response, like a discussion response, about the quarantine section right here, significance of a 40-day quarantino, and the article that goes underneath it, did the quarantine laws work? And I want you to compare that during um, this time frame in the 14th century as compared to the 21st century. All right, again, if you have any questions, just let Ms. Wall know. Thank you.